today is a reflection of the commitment of our country to be part of this world that cares about the world, that cares about the future of the world, that cares to be a participant and a vehicle to make sure that we can work together.
A 45-minute drive north of Dubai lies Ras Al Khaimah, an emirate that is putting itself on the map for tourism, adventure, business and lifestyle. Led by the vision of His Highness Sheikh Saud bin Sagar Al Qasimi, UAE Supreme Council member and ruler of Ras Al Khaimah, the emirate is developing at pace with a focus on sustainability and the natural environment. Whether it's tourism, construction, manufacturing or mining, Ras Al Khaimah has initiated plans to be more efficient, more innovative and more green, with strategies in place to transition its economy and help fulfil the UAE's net zero obligations.
Responsible RAK is part of our strategy to be a leader in sustainability by 2025. We're proud to say that Ras Al Khaimah has become a certified tourism destination with all of our businesses from hotels to tour operators and travel companies that are all involved within the industry.
Ras Al Khaimah government is the first government in the world to have achieved the ISO 50001 certification for all of its entities. This means that all the departments of the government have committed to monitoring and improving their energy consumption over time, and they have the capabilities, the systems to do so.
Greenland is an initiative started with 1 million and 1 tree, in which we are distributing ghaf and cedar tree to the local people and to the industry for increasing the biomass, because we believe by increasing the biomass here in our environment that will help in reducing CO2 from the air. Plastic free RAK, it is part of the UAE initiative, and since most of the plastic going to be really harmful to the environment, so we are trying to educate the people by using biodegradable product or biodegradable plastic.
The Energy Efficiency and Renewable Strategy 2040 is the roadmap for the energy transition of Emirates of Ras Al Khaimah, aiming to make the Emirates a great place to live and do businesses sustainably.
The Industrial Energy Efficiency Initiative is a collaboration framework between the government and the industrial companies of Ras Al Khaimah to ensure that those companies find new ways of achieving a higher energy performance.
Industrial Energy Efficiency Initiative is really an integral part of what RAK is doing and embedded in Ras Al Khaimah all across. It's all about energy saving and sustainability, and really putting this not only within our own government entities, but also helping and assisting our companies and manufacturers that are within our industrial zones to really also fulfill that energy efficiency initiative program embedded in their operations and their energy saving and sustainability initiatives themselves.
RAK Ceramics, we succeeded during the last 5 years in reducing almost 30% of our consumption in electricity, gas, and we are proud that 100% of our water waste has been recycled and reused internally.
Steven Rock goal is to optimize our energy consumption and minimize our environmental impact by achieving reduction in power, fuel, and water consumptions across all our sites.
We're excited about this prospect of natural hydrogen occurrence in Ras Al Khaimah, And what it is over millions of years, deep mantle rock has been thrust to the surface containing certain minerals. When that's met with rainwater carrying CO2, we find that process, that mineralization, nature's laboratory, creates hydrogen, naturally occurring hydrogen. The structure in the rock, we expect, has captured some of that hydrogen and held it. We, through this project, will look to explore and secure those molecules for the benefit of industry here in the UAE, particularly in Ras Al Khaimah. So carbon capture and storage by mineralization is an opportunity for us here in Ras Al Khaimah to use natural processes that have been developed over thousands of years in nature to capture carbon and permanently sequester it in the rock structure that we find in Ras Al Khaimah.
The Ras Al Khaimah Sustainable Schools program is basically designed to improve the awareness of sustainable practices within schools and the broader community, and also to continue to encourage schools to adopt as many sustainable impact programs as possible.
The Green Mobility Framework 2040 is a long-term mobility strategy aimed at promoting sustainable and environmentally friendly modes of transport while reducing carbon emissions and enhancing overall mobility and quality of life within Ras Al Khaimah Emirate.
Ras Al Khaimah is an emirate with a passion for and commitment to sustainable development.